Let's learn how to zoom in on TikTok videos. TikTok has added this feature long ago, and everyone should have it by now. If you don't know how to zoom on video, I will show you how, also give you some tip for fix if this doesn't work for you. So let's first start by opening your TikTok application. This both works on iOS and Android device. Once TikTok starting page loads, find some video you want to zoom. Now this is very easy. It's just zooming the Instagram photo. Pinch your fingers on the screen. Moving them in and out will make video zoom in and out. It depends on what you need. While zooming in the video, you can just move your fingers from screen and video will get back to normal. But if you don't have this feature, you can also screen record the video you want to zoom and save it to the gallery. Then zoom from there. So let's exit TikTok and go to the gallery, find video you recorded and open it. When you did that, you will zoom the same way I showed you before, so pinch fingers and move them in and out as you can see here in the video. Now to fix not able to zoom in TikTok, you would want to clear its cache and offload the app. This method should be already known to you from previous tutorials. You can also try to change your location in TikTok settings, as TikTok maybe didn't launch that feature in your current country yet and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.